In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram with Make.com. First, open your Make dashboard and click on Connections from the left side menu. Then, open the Scenario Builder. If this is your first time setting things up, don't worry, I'll just walk you through the basics of getting Instagram connected, not a full automation. Next, click Build from Scratch, although you can also start with a template if you prefer. Once you're inside the builder, click the plus icon, scroll through all apps, and select Instagram for Business. After that, choose the event you want to use. I'll select a watch event for demonstration, but you can pick any event you need. Now click Create a Webhook, give your webhook a name, and then click Create a Connection. You can adjust advanced settings if you want, or simply click Save. This will open your default browser and take you to Facebook, since Instagram is connected through Facebook. Just log into your Facebook account, and that's it. Your Instagram account will now be connected to Make.com. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.